How are we cooking? How are we cooking? We're doing well. We're cooking well. Okay. I've just logged off work, luckily, because it's not 5:30 yet. But basically, I'm struggling to find work. So, what you do when you have run out of tasks to do is the good practice is to go around asking people for work. And I was doing that, but people were just saying, "You've only got 30 minutes left, mate. Just revise because your exam's in a couple of weeks' time. Well, less than a couple of weeks' time now." And it's true, and it's true. I realised I almost had a big mess up with my exams. Well, not a big mess up, but I suppose so, yeah. So basically, I had there were some issues with the school, the tuition private provider that we use, and they hadn't sent me my textbooks, my not my textbooks, my question books, basically practice questions for the two exams. And I've just been up to this point relying on there's another sort of section of questions which we can use, but there aren't many of those. And so I was just looking through those. They're basically past papers, and there aren't. I don't know how to explain it. It's tough to explain, but basically, there was quite a vital bit of a question book that I was missing, and I realised that last night when I tried to start working on those questions, and I thought, hang on a second, I don't remember getting access to those books, so I had to. I panicked and sent a sort of help request last night about 10 p.m. But then also I called them this morning, and they were very quick to fix it. So thank goodness that's all sorted now. But I think I did struggle to sleep a bit last night, just knowing that I was possibly really shooting myself in the foot for not having figured out sooner that I was missing some vital information. So today was a work from home day for me. It was a Wednesday, middle of the week. But I thought, you know what, I've been in already for Monday, Tuesday this week, and my feet would have just died in my shoes. So I was like, it's okay. We can take the chance of working from home. I think I'll go into the office tomorrow though. But tomorrow is quite busy. I've got quite a few meetings, and I'm supporting this person, and it's just a lot of management going on with sort of almost like a personal assistance role, but a lot of management between different people. We're trying to get meetings in with so many people. It's just yeah. This morning was quite stressful, just trying to organise everyone's calendars. But luckily, during my lunch break, because I was working from home, I thought, you know what, I'll take the liberty to go for a run. And so I did. I managed to get a run into just Hampstead Heath to the entrance, to what I consider to be the entrance. And because there are so many entry points to Hampstead Heath. So I got to the entrance and then ran back home. No, that was quite tiring. Quite a few calories were burnt there, which is good. And then I had to rush, and when I got home, I had to rush and make just fry three eggs for lunch. And then that sustained me all the way to about 4 p.m. So just over an hour ago. And then I got too hungry and decided I needed to have a bit more sustenance. So I gave myself half a can of what are they called? Baked beans and tomato sauce. Delicious. And then now it takes us to here. I'm wondering what to do for dinner. I had takeout for I had what's it called? Chicken Thai curry takeout from the Good Value place, and I'm wondering maybe I should get that. It's so good. It's the unfortunate thing is it's just so carbohydrate heavy with the rice, but it is so good. But it's a tough one to balance. It also isn't the cheapest thing, to be honest. Even though I say it's good value, it is £7, and considering my the just considering balances at the moment, To spend £7 every day, what's that? That's about £50 a week on food. Which isn't that bad when you think about it. Is it bad? Is that bad? I can't tell. But I obviously spend a lot more on other foods other than dinner. So I suppose, yes, £7 for just dinner is probably not great value. I could be doing better. But honestly, I don't have time. I've got to revise. So that is actually the trade-off, isn't it? You're paying for time. And that is because honestly, I'm not going to necessarily cook tonight. I think I think I'll just get takeout there and then cook some vegetables that I've got in the fridge. Oh, blimey, I'm so tired. Oh, I am exhausted. Okay, that's what I'll do. And then I'll start using those practice questions books that I now have access to, which is very exciting. That will surely test my knowledge on the two areas. Okay, have a good evening.